So when I first started eBay dropshipping, I was able to make over 10K worth of sales within 90 days. You know, when I started going crazy with the eBay, and I started realizing, like, you know, the potential of this shit, I started going crazier. All this took time, all this took effort, all this took grind. And I'm not gonna say it was some easy work. The question is, does this still work for beginners going into 2024? So we gonna get right into this video. If you're new, I'm Mike. I'm a six-figure earner entrepreneur, various businesses I own, but the main business model I started with was eBay dropshipping. So me starting eBay dropshipping was able to venture off into my other businesses. I get these questions all the time. Can somebody start eBay dropshipping in 2023, making $300 a day or more? The answer is yes. You can make $300 plus a day, every single day, or more, you know. So you gotta put the grind in, man. It's all about the work ethic. It's all about getting to where you want to be at in life. And my thing about this is just like, you can't give up. You're not going to get rich overnight, and I'm not going to cap to you. You're going to have to be putting at least like 2 hours of work in every single day. Even when the sales starts coming in, you got to keep up with the sales, you got to keep up with the orders, you got to keep up with fulfillment, all that. So a lot of beginners are interested in dropshipping, see my posts, they see my clients' results, and they want to get in, and they ask me all the time, like, hey Mike, how do I start dropshipping? How do I start with no money? A lot of people come to me, they need help. So before we get started, you can join my Discord chat. I'm giving out a 3-day free trial. Click the link in the description. You get access to all the sauce, all the top sauce, all the suppliers, all that for 3 days free trial. So sign up. Within that trial, you get a free Excel spreadsheet. So this is going to be able to keep track of all your orders coming in and out, and your P&L. So this is detrimental to your business. I advise everybody who gets into dropshipping to have a spreadsheet. If you don't have a spreadsheet, then you're not going to be keeping track of your profits, and you're not going to be keeping track of your order. Many beginners are eager to start this dropshipping model because it is so simple, it is so easy, and basically all you're doing is buying a physical product and you're selling it on places like eBay Marketplace. So basically the business model, you buy it for less and you sell it for a higher profit margin. Per se, you go on Amazon.com, or you go on to private suppliers selling it for less. At least 30% to 40% profit margins. You get that bag, that real bag, man. You don't want to sit here and be lowballing yourself. You don't want to sit here and buy products that's not worth your time. Everything has to be high ticket. That's why I teach in the Discord chat. High ticket only. We ain't here to be profiting for scraps. You know, you want to go, like I said, for instance, you go in, you order the product off Amazon or wherever the supplier is from, put in the buyer's address, and that product is shipped directly to the customer. This business model has been still excelling for the last few years. I started with Facebook dropshipping, but eBay is just more of a bigger bag. A lot of people ask me, do you got to spend money up front for inventory? No, you don't spend not a dime. I don't spend no money on inventory unless the person has bought the item off my store already. So once I get paid, then that's when I will go in, I'll go to the supplier, and then I'll sit there and order the item personally and ship it to the address of the buyer. So when you're a seller on eBay, you do not collect no inventory, you don't hold no inventory, you don't buy anything until the product is bought off your store. So that's the whole thing about this business model and why this is so killer, because it's a no-brain business model to start, because it's like no bread up front, and you collect in dough once you get the bread from the buyer onto your store. Once you get the buyer to buy the item off your store, then it's just up to you to just fulfill the product and collect the profit. Just to repeat the cycle and just keep on going crazy with the bag. So that's what I've been doing for the last 4 years, going crazy. I don't already have like 2-3 stores on eBay. I got other stores on other e-commerce platforms too, but that's for a different video. You could do this from anywhere in the world. That's the best thing about this business model. Wherever your Wi-Fi is able to pick up on your phone or your computer, you can get to that bag at all times. A lot of people ask me, why would they sit here and buy a product off you from eBay instead of going to, somewhere cheaper, But you got to think, right? When you're shopping on Amazon, you're not thinking about going to eBay to find something cheaper. If you're a buyer on Amazon, you're going to be a buyer on Amazon. So that's just the same thing with eBay buyers. Why would they sit here and look for a cheaper product when they're already accustomed to eBay, how the buying process is, and how the platform is to be already? They're not gonna sit here and waste their time trying to find. That's the whole thing about people. People get, they get too much in their head. They just don't want to go ahead and just try shit. They want to sit here and doubt themselves, like, oh, nobody's gonna buy it because they could find it cheaper elsewhere. But that's where a lot of people go wrong. A lot of people miss out on the bag opportunity because they don't want to listen and sit here and just run off with the play. You do what I tell you, you implement, you stay consistent for the next 3 months, you start seeing results. So a lot of people who focus on eBay dropshipping in the beginning is keeping track of, you know, their suppliers and keeping track of their orders and all of that. And the main thing I tell people is to, you know, you have to use a spreadsheet, man. You have to create a template spreadsheet, or you have to find somebody who have one. So when you join the free trial in the Discord chat, you also get my full eBay one-on-one dropshipping course, you know, 2023 going into 2024. So as I said, I'm providing all the sauce in my Discord chat. As you see, opportunity to take the free shit I give you, I create, you know, I take my time out. So I ain't gotta do this. I ain't gotta create no free shit. I ain't gotta give y'all none of my ways on scaling, none of that. But I do this for y'all. So at the end of the day, click that link, man, join the free trial. Let's get back to the video. The last thing that really matters when it comes to eBay dropshipping, when it comes to e-commerce in general, when it comes to dropshipping, is product research, man. So I get tons of questions on this, how you product research, how you differentiate on what to sell, when to sell. And basically, I go by the algorithm. So, you know, a lot of people go by what's trending, but you can't always go by what's trending. You gotta go what's hot. So the best way to find out what's hot is just going on to your top supplier, wherever suits you best, wherever you get your products from, and seeing what's selling. You wanna see what everyday products are selling on a consistent basis. The best way to find forever green products, winning top 5 forever green products, the way I do this is basically go by things that I use on a daily basis. You could go by seasonal as well, but I advise people not to really stick to seasonal because, like I said, it's only for a temporary time. It's not for evergreen. So you're gonna have to always be remodifying your store. You choosing seasonal. Me personally, I stick to high ticket. Like I tell you, if you guys want access to all sauce on high ticket and how I was able to scale my stores, you know, to 10K plus, join the Discord, man. Join the channel. Don't be cheap, man. The sauce costs and the pay to be the boss. The best thing I advise people every day is to pay for the knowledge, man. Pay for the mentorship. Hop in the Discord chat. Everybody dropping sauce. Everybody learning from one another. We going crazy in the chat. And high ticket e-commerce is the way to go in 2024. All that petty drop shipping, all that, you know, finding what's trending, you know, these little gizmo gadgets and shit that these little newbie sellers be selling, man, that shit just a waste of time. If you ain't getting to the bags with high ticket products, then you wasting your time. You sleeping, you cheating yourself. That's all I'm saying. You being cheap. If you learn the right methods, if you learn the right products to sell, if you learn the best methods on how to go about selling on whatever platform, you could implement this over and over and over again. After each time of selling each product, you start realizing like, okay, it's never about what's trending. It's never about what's hot. It's about finding uniqueness in your products. That's the one thing. That's why people give up, is because they try to stick to what's trending and what's hot. That keep you temporary. That's that broke shit. You trying to find money quick. You best off just working at a 9 to 5 because you just gonna be chasing after these little products. I tell my mentees all the time, the best way to really scale is to stick to high ticket products and, you know, product research, man. Everything's about product research. If you're not doing product research on the daily, if you think like, okay, I'm gonna sit here and find this product and I'm gonna kick my feet up, nah. Because guess what? Somebody who got a store, who started probably the other day, is listing 10 of that same product that you listed, and you kicking your feet up thinking, okay, no. You got other competitors, you got other stores, you got other people scalping stores, you got other people ready to sit here and find better profit margins, better suppliers. And sometimes people don't even give a fuck about the profit. Some people just want to get their sales coming in, so eBay just get notified, okay, like person the guaranteed seller on that platform. So take that into consideration when you start e-commerce in general, man. You want to be doing a lot of product research. This is the main key to everything and really making your business thrive going into 2024. If you stay on product research, you stay ahead of the game. You know, this is a lot of people get confused. They think that like shit gonna happen overnight. Like, okay, I list a product and it's supposed to sell automatically. It don't happen like that. You know, at the end of the day, you gotta put your best foot forward, find the best product, the best high quality, and outbeat the competitors with your price margins. And like I said, if you guys want access to the best top suppliers, join that Discord chat, man. In the high ticket e-commerce Discord channel, you get all access to all my suppliers, you get access to all my courses, all my guides, and in the chat every Wednesday we go live. We all as a community, you know, come together as one and just share each other's knowledge on what to do, what not to do, wins and losses type shit. So hit that Discord link down below, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, do all that. Let's get it, man. Let's get to this bag, man. Stop playing, stop being cheap with yourself. It's a 3-day free trial. So if y'all ain't enjoying it to get this money, but you watching this video, click off this shit, man, because you just wasting your time just watching videos. Put that work in, put that shit in. You know, I want to see everybody who joined this chat. When you join this chat, within 3-4 months, I need to see y'all go crazy and post your results. I don't want to see no capping. Don't be wasting my fucking time. We ain't got no time to waste. We going in 2024 with a new mindset, new bag. Everything gonna be turned. Everybody gotta get to this bag, and I'm just teaching y'all. And I want y'all to sit here and grow with me. Sauce costs, and it costs to be the boss. At the end of the day, if you guys ain't taking this sauce right now, it's gonna cost later, because best believe I'm on my way to 6 figures plus, just alone off of e-commerce on eBay. So tap in, like, comment, subscribe, do all that. It's your boy Mike. I'll holler at y'all in the next video. Peace.